Okay, we're back, everybody. So this is the Speedy Bee F405 mini stack that we're going with. This is a Speedy Bee VTX, and there's what one it is. We have the HDLRC M100, which is supposed to be a really good GPS antenna. I had to modify this mount because it's bigger than this mount was designed for. So that's why I have it already on, and so shrink wrapped in. But this is the wire harness for it. So what else? We have a Foxier, sorry, toothless. All day. It's a night and day all-weather camera. This little harness allows you to hook this up to change the settings, and then this one will go to the flight controller. We have the ESC all soldered and ready to go. We have our lead on with a capacitor built into the harness. Should always run at least one capacitor with 4S or better, and just help. It's a spike filter basically in power, so if you get a high voltage or low voltage, it keeps the voltage constant. So there's that. Since it's so tedious to film and solder everything, I'll do a video with everything done. The important thing to note is when you do solder, see it's labeled right there. It's probably too small for you guys to see here. Come on, focus. There's tags that tell you what is what on the flight controller. It's which you can see I pre-soldered already. So it's important when doing any of this. The ESC is easy. It doesn't matter which wires go where, because in beta flight software you can change the direction of the motor, the way it spins. So just 3 pads, 1 motor. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 is the labeling and the way the software is set up. So this is a Rush FPV antenna that I got, and that will be our signal. You guys already know we have a long range ELRS receiver we're going to put on. So we have all of our goodies now. Like I said, I'll do a video after it's together and step you through what you got to do. Once you get a few things set up, you no longer have to plug it into the computer, because that little red guy is a Bluetooth antenna that allows you to use your phone wirelessly to talk to this to get it to work. And so it's a very handy tool to have. So that's the update on this drone I'm building for my birthday. Thanks for the patience with me on making content. Thanks for being a sub. This is Eric Sharlops RC out.